I was just trying to visualize how the day must have been. An entire day thinking only about yourself. But before we end the day, let's take a minute with your own self and decide what you are going to implement from this evening itself. कई बार हम बहुत कुछ सुनते हैं, बहुत कुछ पढ़ते हैं, and most of it जो हम सुनते हैं, पढ़ते हैं, we know about it. Most of it we know about it. But when we come together, it's about revising it. It's about coming in this collective vibration where everyone is thinking of the same energy. But then am I going to go back today the same person that I came this morning? So take a minute. And out of everything that you've heard today, choose what is going to get implemented in your life today itself. अच्छे से चेक करके, पक्का करके, ट्राई करेंगे, कोशिश करेंगे, वो वर्ड्स नहीं. This is what's going to become a part of my life from today itself. Would anyone like to share in 10 seconds anything you're going to implement from today? Anybody? Hanji. I will try to
learn, let go.
Very good. So we'll just remove the word try.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. We'll just remove the word try. And I will say, I let go from today, whatever you want to let go. Because if I tell my mind, I'll try, so my mind will say, I tried, but it's very difficult. So don't tell your mind to try. Tell your mind, we were holding on to it for very long. Today we've chosen to delete and release and let go. At what time? कितने बजे let go करें उसको?
Now.
Now, that's all. That's how simple it is. It's now. Hanji, anybody else? What am I going to implement from today? Hanji.
I will forgive everybody, including myself.
Very good.
That's it.
That's it. Simple.
Immediately.
Absolutely.
That's
Beautiful. Anyone else? What am I implementing? Hanji. You might not even need a mic actually.
Yeah. Hi. So I am planning to do yoga. So I am doing, but will make it a business now after hearing Advait. So this
I'm
is what
planning
I'm
to do yoga and make it a work.
Yeah.
Make it my profession.
Yeah, commercial.
Congratulations. Anything else? Hanji. Focus on my. Okay, focus on my breathing. Beautiful. One more. Hanji.
ध्यान लगाना नहीं है, हटाना है.
ध्यान लगाना नहीं है, ध्यान हटाना है. सबने ताली बजाई, लेकिन ये डिसाइड किया किस चीज से ध्यान हटाना है? हाँ, किस चीज से?
Of the worldly desires, maybe the negative emotions, the emotional baggage that we are carrying for so long, and things that we are carrying for so long on our shoulders. Just take all the weight away off our chest. Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah.
फिर उनसे फिर से पूछेंगे सेशन के बाद किससे ध्यान हटाना था?
यही सारी चीजें जो बताई, and just focus on within and on the breath and to live in the moment.
Yes. And then tomorrow morning when you go to work,
Yeah.
or you're on the road and there is a situation which is not your way,
Yeah.
and the traffic is not your way,
Yeah.
and then you reach work and there is again someone else who's not your way, and then someone's not behaving your way, and that project that you were working on, it's not going your way. आप क्या करेंगे? किधर से ध्यान हटाएंगे?
I will accept things.
उस टाइम तो ध्यान लगाना है वहां. ध्यान हटाएंगे कैसे? तो इसलिए सोचना है. सोचना है. ध्यान हटाना मीन्स किन चीजों से ध्यान हटाना है? Whenever there is a situation, Sister very beautifully asked, what to do when I'm feeling sad? My sadness, my stress, my anxiety, my irritation, my anger, my happiness, my acceptance, my love, these are my feelings, these are my emotions. created in response to a situation or a person's behavior? Simple question. Who is the creator of my thoughts and feelings? Who is the creator of my thoughts and feelings? Who is the creator? बहुत difficult answers नहीं है यहाँ, सब कुछ बहुत simple है. Who is the creator of my thoughts and feelings? I myself. Pakka? How many of you feel I create my thoughts and feelings? Very good. Last time that you created anger, it could be this morning, it could be yesterday. Bring the scene on the screen of your mind. Gussa kiya. Something happened and you reacted and you created anger. And फिर आपका चेहरा बदल गया. तो someone came and asked you, क्या बात है? Mood खराब है? And where did the finger immediately go? Who is the cause of my mood not being the way it wanted it to be? Who's the cause of my anger? उंगली कहाँ गई? कहाँ गई? तो उनकी वजह से. मैं तो बिल्कुल ठीक था सुबह सुबह. उन्होंने काम ही ऐसा किया. गुस्सा तो आना ही था. So I know, I understand that I'm the creator of my every thought and feeling, and yet I'm actually living my entire life blaming people and situations for my thoughts and feelings. And my vocabulary goes, I'm happy because of, I'm sad because of, they hurt me, they are very irritating. She upset me. He let me down. इसमें I तो आया ही नहीं था. इसमें तो who was the cause of my thoughts and feelings? Everybody except for me. I was only creating that in response to that is what I felt. And then when I felt that, I thought, who is it that who needs to change so that I can always be happy? Who needs to change? सारा दिन में थोड़ी कहते हो I need to change. सारा दिन में तो एक लंबी list है of who all need to change. Why we believe they need to change? Only because we believe they are causing our emotion there. So if someone's behavior and I create hurt, then jab tak I am hurt, who is the cause of my hurt is that person. And so that I can overcome this and be happy, who has to change? That person. So we look at them like this. Change ho jao thode se. Thoda प्यार से बात कर लो. थोड़ा रिस्पेक्ट कर लो. दिन में 2 बार ऑफिस से मुझे फोन कर लिया कर लो. आई एम नॉट आस्किंग फॉर टू मच. एंड जब आप ऐसा कर लोगे, आई विल बी हैप्पी. सो हु इज कंट्रोलिंग माई हैप्पीनेस? Why is it that I'm saying stress is normal? Because situations and people are not my way. And because they are not my way, my mind is not my way. And because my mind is not my way, my body is not my way. My body is not my way because everything that I'm creating here, the hurt, the anger, the stress, the anxiety, it's going to radiate from here and go to my body. Right, Luke? Every video he shares, he says, every person who comes to me with cancer, and when I just talk to them about their life, then mostly in 1 or 2 years before that, something has happened in their life. Not something has happened in their mind, something has happened in their life. And when something happens in our life, because we don't believe that my mind can create something different from my life, we just react to what has happened to our life. So now what's happened in my life also starts happening in my mind. And when something starts happening in my mind for a long period of time, then something starts happening in my body. And then my best exercise regime, my best diet, my best everything is not getting me the desired result because I'm not changing what is happening in my mind. But I believe I can't change what is happening in my mind because what needs to change is what is happening in my life. So either my business has to change, my spouse has to change, my child has to change, the government has to change, the road, किसी ना किसी चीज को बदलना है, except for me. तो अगर ये well-being implement करनी है कल सुबह से, just take back this one equation. I am the creator of my every thought and feeling. Not the situation, not the person. Is it possible that someone is wrong to me, not behaving right, and I can be thinking right, feeling right? Is it possible? इतना serious नहीं होना, इतना difficult कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा यहाँ पे. Here is this person not behaving right, not working right, Can I create the right thoughts while I'm living or working with this person? Simple, yes or no? Yes, we can.
एक बार जब आपको सुनते हैं तब, और एक बारी जब वो कर चुके होते हैं then
2 बारी याद रह गया तो भी बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है, बिकॉज एटलीस्ट 2 बार मैंने वो हर्ट नहीं क्रिएट की, मैंने ठीक से रिस्पॉन्स किया. व्हाट अ बिग अचीवमेंट. And anything I do once and twice and 3 times, and then the 4th time I again take care. And by the time I do it 10 to 15 times, I see the power. I see my own power. कि ये चिल्ला रहे थे और मैंने इनकी तरफ आराम से देखा. I was doing a program with nurses, and I just asked them, "What's the cause of your stress?" And normally you would think nurses would say, night schedule, erratic patients, and they just looked like that and said, "जब डॉक्टर गुस्सा करते हैं." I said, "Doctor gussa karte, how can that be the cause of your stress? You are dealing with such difficult patients sometimes, behaving unreasonably." So they said a very beautiful thing. "Nahi sister, unko dekhkar kuch bura nahi lagta, kyunki wo bimar hai." I said, "Huh?" So compassion is ingrained. If someone is unwell, they can behave unreasonably, mujhe bura nahi lagega because I understand they are unwell. So I said, "Jab doctors gussa karte hain, wo bhi bimar hai." And she said, "वो कैसे बीमार है?" I said, "Because healthy mind तो गुस्सा नहीं करता, तो वो बीमार है." She said, "अच्छा." And next day one sister called up and she said, "ये तो बहुत easy है." I said, "क्या हुआ?" She said, "Today in the OT again he reacted." I said, "ठीक है, फिर?" She said, "मैंने मन में कहा बेचारे आज बीमार हैं." And उससे क्या हुआ? This is compassion. We have compassion when someone's physically unwell. We need to have the same compassion when someone is emotionally not in their right. And she said, जब मुझे लगा कि ओ आज भी वो बीमार है, I actually created blessings for him. One day पहले तक I was getting hurt कि सबके सामने फिर मुझे गुस्सा कर दिया just surgery के पहले. Just one thought. It's only one thought. When I understand that I am creating my feelings, when I understand that the other person, what they are behaving is out of their state of mind at that moment, or it is out of their sanskars. They can do whatever. They can cheat me, betray me, exploit me, stand there and abuse me. Over there, they can do everything. They can even physically hit me, but no one can get into my mind and hurt me. यहाँ कोई नहीं घुस सकता, यहाँ तक वो सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. But no one can enter here. And if this is fine, then well-being is a part of my life. But if you're going to expect that people and situations will be perfect and perfect my way, then probably well-being. फिर हम कॉन्फ्रेंस पे मिलते रहेंगे, हम कहेंगे अच्छा था सब कुछ, फिर कल वापस जाएंगे and कहेंगे लेकिन today what they did was just not acceptable. And we again get angry, again get hurt. So only one equation today. I am the creator of my every thought and feeling, and I'm going to shift from blaming the world for how I'm feeling and taking personal responsibility, which does not mean I will not get angry tomorrow. I might, but I will say, I created this anger. I created this hurt. What they did was not right, but the hurt was created by me. And when I know I created the hurt, then who is going to heal me? Who's going to heal me? Me. How? Who created the hurt? One thought. What's going to be the healing? Another thought. And all I have to do is change my thoughts. But how do I change my thought? वही तो सबसे मुश्किल लगता है. How do I change my thought? For that, we need to start prioritizing taking care of our mind. We all take care of our body, but we also need to start taking care of our mind. I'm sure you've talked about nutrition today. Luke is here, so it has to be on the agenda. What about nutrition for the mind? What is the nutrition for the mind? What we watch, read, listen is our emotional diet. लिख लेना अच्छे से और अपने घर में एक पोस्टर बना के उसको चिपका देना, ताकि हर बार जब फोन की तरफ देखेंगे ऊपर पोस्टर देखना, what I watch, read, listen is my emotional diet. So if I'm going to watch, read, listen content which has lust, ego, greed, jealousy, anxiety, corruption, violence, and the long list, then nothing and no method can stop lust, greed, jealousy, comparison, competition, ego from being my emotion. Because it is my nutrition. And what I watch, read, listen is who I become. So can we start a simple practice of content restriction? कर सकते हैं? कर सकते हैं? ये तो बहुत इजी वाली बात है. कर सकते हैं, नहीं कर सकते हैं? कर सकते हैं. बहुत इजी है. बहुत easy है. Like we take care of what to eat and we say, no, I don't eat this. It's not healthy for me. Say, I don't watch this. It's not healthy for me. Don't say this Sunday, I already have on my list which series I have to complete. It is somebody's business. And they've designed it very well. We think it's entertainment. Many people say, I come back late by 9, 10, then after that, a couple of hours is my time. Anji, my time. So, my time mein kya karenge? TV. And we thought it was a de-stressor. It's actually the creator of our stress. It's actually the creator of our stress because of the quality of the emotional nutrition. So the next time you're going to watch a movie, a series, listen to a song, watch a video, even watch a small forwarded message on your phone, please remember, I am becoming this. And then watch. Take responsibility. कि मैंने ये देखा है, अब ये मैंने बनना है. जैसे ये मैंने खाया, अब ये मेरी बॉडी ये बनेगी. Personal responsibility. मैंने ये देखा, ये मैंने बनना है. Let's start doing it. Because if we start taking care of our content consumption, only then will you have the power to influence your children to take care of their content consumption. बोलने से तो ये होने वाला नहीं है. We are a generation who grew up without it. And yet we are talking about stress and depression. Can you visualize a world 10 years from today with a generation who is growing up with that content? They're going to walk around saying depression is normal. You're depressed, अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, ये तो normal है. वैसे आजकल भी काफी normal हो गया है, लेकिन और 10 years में तो बहुत normal हो जाएगा. For you to be able to influence your children to protect themselves from the content they consume, there's only one way. First, do it yourself. Not only when you're in front of them. This method doesn't work. जी हम उनके सामने नहीं करते. जरूरत नहीं है. It's in your aura. It's in your energy field. It's in your energy field. And that vibration radiates to them. And what radiates to them is what they absorb. And what they absorb is what they start becoming. So in order to protect the mental health of your children, start taking care of your own emotional health. This is not success when a generation in 10 standard, 12 standard says, I'm taking anti-anxiety medicine before an exam. ये कौन सा success है? ये success नहीं है. And then we say, oh, because उनकी life में बहुत competition है. उनकी life में कोई competition नहीं है compared to what it used to be 20 years back. आप सबने जब 10th, 12th exams दिए, were you giving exams like this? One exam, 10 days छुट्टी, one exam, 10 days छुट्टी, ऐसे exam दिए थे? नहीं. I remember 30 years back, Monday to Friday, 10 exams, 2 papers, every day, 3-year syllabus, ICSE board, 5 days finished, 3-year syllabus, 2 exams every day between 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. That's called pressure. What pressure is this? Giving 1 year syllabus, 1 exam, 10 days chutti, next exam. Ye kaun sa pressure hai? So what the world is trying to do is reduce the pressure. Stress is equal to pressure divided by resilience. Don't try and reduce the pressure of the child. Because today as a parent, you can reduce the pressure of your child. Tomorrow their work, their business and their spouse is not going to reduce their pressure. So don't try and reduce their pressure, try and build up their resilience, the denominator. And for that, we have to build up our resilience, our denominator. Stress is not equal to pressure. COVID is not the cause of fear and anxiety. COVID is just a pressure, but it is divided by resilience. So how to build up our resilience? Simple lifestyle habits. जो हम आज से करेंगे. You've heard a lot about sleep. So have you taken your decision of what you're going to do about your sleep cycle? I didn't hear the session on sleep, but a very simple habit, which I'm sure must have been shared. Early to bed, early to rise. Go and ask a school ka bacha today, early to bed, early to rise. And they look at you like this. They don't know the rest of the line.
It
They
makes,
don't know it.
it makes a man or a woman healthy, wealthy and wise.
पर बच्चों को नहीं पता आज के ये लाइन,
आप कह रही मैं बच्चा नहीं हूँ।
आज के बच्चों को नहीं पता.
अच्छा, अच्छा।
You know, all of us work very hard and we have a very pure intention. आप सबके पास एक बहुत pure intention है. We want to give our children what we did not get. मुझे अपने बच्चे को वो सब कुछ देना है जो मुझे नहीं मिला, साथ साथ वो देना जो मिला था. That is important. जो मिला था वो देना, because we are the last generation who will be able to give that. After that, they will not know all these things. They will not know early to bed, early to rise. They will not know jaisa an, vaisa man. They will not know. We are the last people who will be able to share it with them. ये वर्षा है जो देना होता है next generation के लिए. So to wake up at between 4 and 5 a.m., the successful leadership time, we need to go to sleep before 10. 10 o'clock, deep sleep. And for 10 o'clock deep sleep, by 8 o'clock, we should cut off from work communication. अब सुनते हुए ये नहीं सोचना, ओ ये सब तो नहीं हो सकता. ये कहना ये तो करना ही है. करना ही है. If you want a healthy mind and a healthy body, तो ये करना ही है. 8 o'clock, disconnect from work communication and gift your organization that no one will communicate with each other after 8 o'clock unless it's a crisis, and crisis is rare. Apart from that, no emails, no messages, no phone calls for work to each other. You will have happier, healthier people coming to work the next morning. You'll have happier, healthier people coming to work next morning. People who are more intuitive, more creative, not driving early in the morning, जैसे थके हुए लगते हैं चेहरे सुबह सुबह. Early morning on Delhi Gurgaon Expressway, you cannot make out whether it's 8 o'clock in the morning or 6 o'clock in the evening. चेहरा same दिखाई देता है. क्यों? क्योंकि रात के 10-11 बजे तक वो emails कर रहे हैं, messages कर रहे हैं. Now what happens if I keep working till I go to sleep? Then when I go to sleep, only my body goes to sleep. My mind is at work. So as a generation, we are a sleep deprived generation, even though we are sleeping enough. See on the flight next time, people can doze off to sleep at any time of the day if they don't engage themselves with a gadget. Subah ke 9-10 baje people are going off to sleep on a flight. How can you sleep at 9 o'clock in the morning? How can anybody sleep at 9 o'clock in the morning? Because they're sleep deprived. But why are they sleep deprived? Because they were with their phones and laptops till the minute they go to sleep every day. And by chance, आधी रात को नींद खुल गई तो फिर phone देख लेते हैं. So the mind is never going to sleep. It's always at work. So go back to the era where our parents were coming home without phones and laptops. So from 8 o'clock in the evening to next 8 o'clock morning, they were not at work. 12 hours every day, they were not at work. Every Sunday, they were not at work. Every festival, they were not at work. So actually, they were working less than 6 months a year. But then we did not have depression. We did not have so much diabetes. Cancer was one of those rare things. And we were not talking stress. So it doesn't mean we're giving up technology. It just means we're using it the right way. So 8 o'clock, we disconnect from work communication. 9 o'clock, we disconnect from all other media. 1 hour to take the
9
mind.
o'clock बुलेटिन जो है न्यूज उनकी तो रेटिंग कम हो जाएगी.
अब वो न्यूज चैनल वाले यहाँ हैं तो मैं कुछ नहीं बोल सकती उनके सामने, but that is the
मेरे सारे दोस्त हैं, उनका कैसे चलेगा? Yeah, and this is not a serious comment.
The first hour of the morning and the last hour before you go to sleep, if you are going to watch the world news, then the world is only going to become more of what that world is today. You cannot change the world. Because you are absorbing the world, you are becoming the world, and then you are creating the same world next morning. You cannot change the world by consuming the world. You have to consume something different to be able to change the world. And so simple for that, simple practice. Last 1 hour, we are taking the mind from that beta stage gradually, gently to the alpha stage, so that when we go to sleep, we are going into the delta stage. Uske liye simple practice hai. Last half an hour is our own time. अब अगर हॉल में कोई आता है जाता है, our mind doesn't need to go towards it. We are a very powerful mind. हमारा कोई रोल नहीं है वहां पे, है ना? So last half an hour is my time. 20 minutes before going to sleep. 20 minutes before going to sleep, please consume a healthy emotional diet, which means watch, read, listen that what you want to become. Which means watch, read, listen content which has happiness, acceptance, compassion, loyalty, trust. That's spiritual content. Whether it's a book, video, audio, at least 20 minutes. Now imagine the difference that will happen in the mind and the body the next 6 hours if you consume the world news. Then that's what's going to play on the subconscious and radiate to your body in your next 6 hours of sleep. And if you consume some divine content, then that's what's going to play on your subconscious and on your body in the next 6 hours. So the last layer of information is critical. And then the last thoughts. Let's end the day with very, very selected affirmations. Thoughts manifest. They become our destiny. I'm sure it was taken up today. Let's quickly write a few affirmations for ourselves, what we want to become. 1, I am a powerful being. I am a powerful being, which means I don't react to situations. I respond out of my own choice. I am a powerful being. 2nd, I am calm and stable always. 3rd, I am a giver. I am a giver. ऐसे ऐसे वाले नहीं हम चाहिए 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 देने वाले हैं. I give love, I give respect, I give acceptance, I give understanding, I give compassion. I don't want name, fame. It will automatically come, but I don't want. चाहिए वाली साइड पे नहीं खड़े होना, देने वाली साइड पे खड़े होना है. I am a giver. I am easy, which means I'm replacing the mind. I'm replacing the line I am busy. I am busy is not a healthy line. Not healthy for the mind, not healthy for the body. और सारा दिन में कितनी बार बोल देते हैं, I'm very busy, I don't have time, I'm very busy, I don't have time. छोटा छोटा बच्चा बोलता है I'm very busy, I'm very busy. ये छोटे छोटे बच्चे बोलेंगे अगर I'm very busy, so what's the energy that will go to their body, to every cell of their body? So we put an affirmation, I'm easy, I have more time than I need. I have more time than I need. I accept everyone as they are, and everyone accepts me. Not expectation is normal, acceptance is normal. So I put it in my affirmation. I accept everyone as they are, everyone accepts me. My body is perfect and healthy and will always be. And in case you're going through any, then you put a specific affirmation for that. My blood pressure is normal. And put a figure. Put a figure. क्या figure चाहिए उसके लिए? Because the next 6 hours, your mind is going to radiate this vibration to your body. My body is perfect and healthy. My blood pressure is normal. और गलती से अगर सोने से पहले ये thought create कर ली, my back is hurting, my knee is paining, then that is the thought that will radiate to your body for the next 6 hours. So the last thought before you go to sleep is nothing less than magic. It can create magic in your life. I have abundance. Then put an affirmation for your work. Whatever is your target, whatever is your goal, right there, I have already achieved it. And then create a divine circle of protection around you. That God's love and blessings is a divine circle of protection around me, which means I'm enveloped with the highest vibration. Lower energy doesn't enter into my circle during the day. 7-8 affirmation कर लिया. रात को सोने से पहले ये बोलने हैं, which means it's an instruction that I'm giving to my mind, and next 6 hours my subconscious is going to absorb these instructions, and these vibrations are going to radiate to my body. So I'm giving my mind and body the right information and the right message of what I want to manifest in my life. And then when I wake up at the Brahma Muhurat, 5 AM लीडरशिप क्लब, तो ये अभी अभी के वर्ड्स हैं. वो भी बाहर से कोई आकर हमको सिखाएगा कि 5 AM लीडरशिप क्लब में उठना है. Our culture has it for thousands of years. Brahma Muhurat, Amrit Vela. It is the highest vibrational time of the 24-hour cycle, the Brahma Muhurat. Am I awake at that Muhurat time of the 24-hour cycle? Which I will automatically wake up if I've slept right. And subah uthte, repeat those affirmations before you create any other thought. Before you create any other thought, 2-3 बार आप अच्छे से वो thoughts को फिर से बोल लीजिए जो आप affirm, जो आप manifest करना चाहते हैं. Then we meditate and then at least 15-20 minutes again a very healthy diet for the day, which means spiritual content consumption for at least 15-20 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes in the night, 15 minutes in the morning. Right nutrition, 2 minutes in the night, 2 minutes in the morning, right thoughts, 22 minutes, नहीं 17 minutes in the morning, 17 minutes in the night. ज्यादा तो नहीं है टाइम? ज्यादा टाइम है? नहीं कर सकते? कर सकते? किस किस को लगता है कर सकते? Very good. This is going to make you emotionally fit. This is going to take your EQ here. During the day, restrict the other quality of content consumption. Please remember, it's someone's business. It is becoming my destiny. Content will create thoughts. Thoughts will create destiny. So content is equal to destiny. Content is equal to destiny. So be careful. Somebody's business should not change my destiny, should not change my children's destiny. And then during the day, respond to every situation. As a master, man ke malik hai, choose how you are going to respond. Make your organization a no anger zone. अच्छे अच्छे पोस्टर लगा दो. Our office is a no anger zone. आपके ऑफिस से स्टार्ट करेंगे.
मैं कई बार गुस्सा होता हूँ मैं
तो लगा देंगे ना अच्छे से वहां पे. हाँ, हमने नो स्मोकिंग कर लिया, हमने नो प्लास्टिक कर लिया. लेट्स मेक आवर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अ नो एंगर जोन. पूरी एनर्जी चेंज हो जाएगी, वाइब्रेशंस चेंज हो जाएंगी ऑफिस की सारी. People will start being happy and healthy. So we respond right. And last thing, सिर्फ 1 minute more. Eating right. क्योंकि जैसा अन्न वैसा मन है. The man cannot be right if the un is not right, which means if the diet is not right. Please experiment with a plant-based diet. Plant-based diet is not only for 9 days of Navratri. Why 9 days of Navratri do we have a plant-based diet? Because it's a days of divinity. But why only 9 days of divinity? Why only 9 days of Shakti? Shakti means power. Only 9 days, and the rest of the days I'm going to consume a diet which has someone's pain. It has death. What is the emotion? Fear, helplessness, anger, hatred, violence, death, and we are calling it health. Someone's death cannot be an energy of health. It can be proteins, it can be B12, it can be D3, but it cannot be health because it is a vibration of death. वो हो ही नहीं सकता.
So how many, ma'am, how many of you today decide to be vegetarian if you're non-vegetarian? I decide to be a vegetarian. How many of you, Siddharth, you?
अनुराग जी ऐसा करते, डिसाइड नहीं करते. अभी डिसाइड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं for 3 months. Only for 3 months. नहीं, अच्छा 1 month. है ना? It's so simple. After doing it for 1 week also we can just have to experiment. Don't take a decision. Just experiment and see how you feel in the mind and also how you feel in the body. If I consume lower vibration food, I will creating that same energy. तो किसी की नहीं माने. We don't need to listen to what everybody is saying. We need to only experiment. हो सकता है हमें कोई फर्क ना पड़े, छोड़ देना. And हो सकता है फर्क पड़े, कर लेना. It's just a choice. हाँ जी.
Ma'am, if I make an honest effort to leave non-vegetarian food, but still like I'm a Bengali, I have been eating non-vegetarian food all my life. So अगर फिर से अगर बीच में वीक पड़ जाऊं, अगर मन करे, then अगर मैं उसको फिर से ले लेता हूं, फिर
कुछ नहीं होता. लेकिन मन कमजोर पड़ेगा ही नहीं क्योंकि मन को समझा के कर रहे हैं. And we'll put our affirmation. I eat only sattvic food. तो मन फिर इंस्ट्रक्शन देगा ही नहीं वो खाने के लिए because I've put an instruction into my affirmation. And I'm doing it with an intention, which is doing it with an intention of well-being. I cannot put the energy of death inside when I'm wanting to create well-being. Nahi hoga. So one, simple, only 1 minute more. Plant-based diet, no phone, no TV while eating. I'm sure that would have been covered today, which means no distracted eating. If you do it, only then your children will do it. And third, just before you start eating, take a 10-second pause and say your affirmation into your food. आपको याद है बचपन में सिखाया था कि जब खाना सामने आए भगवान को याद करो, शुक्रिया करो और फिर खाना खाओ. द होल आइडिया इज रेडिएट प्योर एनर्जी एंड चेंज द वाइब्रेशन ऑफ योर फूड बिफोर यू ईट इट, बिकॉज द फूड एंड द वाटर इज कैरिंग द इमोशंस ऑफ द सिटी. The food and the water is carrying the emotions of who cooked that food. अब आज रात को आप डिनर यहाँ खाएंगे, आपको तो पता नहीं है किसने बनाया. सपोज सिस्टर, जिसने बनाया आज ना खाना, अगर वो उदास है, वो खाने के बाद आप उदास हो जाएंगे. लेकिन आप अपने जीवन में रीजन ढूंढते जाएंगे, why am I उदास, why am I उदास? It was emotional infection which comes through the food and the water. ये हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को पता था. आपको पता है वो हर जगह अपना खाना और पानी साथ में लेके जाते थे एंड हमने उनको कहना लगा हाउ ओल्ड फैशन, बोरिंग, कौन ऐसा काम करता है. They were protecting their mind from the vibrations of everyone around them. अब हम खाएं अगर खाना है, लेकिन 10 seconds pause करके put your right energy vibration into that food and that water, change the vibration of that food and water and then consume. क्योंकि जैसा अन्न वैसा मन, जैसा पानी वैसी वाणी. अब ये जो बॉटल्स ऑफ वाटर हमारी टेबल पे पड़ी हुई हैं, हमें लगता है मिनरल वाटर है तो बिल्कुल क्लीन है. Where is it coming from? Which shop was it in for 1 month? अगर वो शॉप में वो जो दुकानदार है वो गुस्सा करता था, then गुस्सा की एनर्जी इज इन दैट वाटर. और अगर हमने उसको पी लिया without putting into it, I am a powerful being, I am calm and stable, I am happy, उसके बाद हम भी गुस्सा कर सकते हैं. So food and water becomes a source of emotional infection unless I change the vibrations. So eat home cooked food, eat plant-based food, eat mindfully and energize your food. And in the kitchen, have high energy words playing in the kitchen throughout the day, which means make your food like food is cooked in the temple and the Gurdwara. खाना बनाना बंद कर दें, प्रसाद बनाना शुरू कर दें, घर की डेस्टिनी चेंज हो जाएगी. घर की डेस्टिनी चेंज हो जाएगी. You can't have your staff or one of you talking on the phone, talking about somebody and cooking. ऐसा खाना बनाना नहीं और किसी को खाने देना नहीं, किसी को नहीं देना. So छोटी छोटी चीजें आज से करना शुरू कर देते हैं. It's all very simple and that's why well-being is natural and it's very, very easy. Thank you so much. Om Shanti.
आपकी बातों से आज ऐसा लगा कि मैं नवरात्रे का अगर पूरे व्रत रखता आया हूं तो मेरे को उसके बाद से सात्विकता का आभास होता है और गुस्सा नहीं आता. और अगर मैं इसको निरंतर अपने ऊपर तो लागू कर सकता हूं, पर अपने बच्चों पे कैसे इसको लागू कराऊं, ये मुश्किल है. मैं 8 बजे फोन छोड़ सकता हूं अपनी दुकानदारी.
मैं बच्चों को वो वैल्यूज कैसे दूं जो मैं खुद फॉलो कर रहा हूं.
It's very simple. Don't just start implementing what you want your children to do. Only start implementing it in your life. Don't implement it with the intention वो करेंगे वो करेंगे. नहीं, I am doing it because it's healthy for me. And whatever you're implementing and who you are here in your mind becomes your aura, your energy field. And your energy field, your vibration is the first level of communication that you're having with your child. So the one thing which the child is absorbing always from you is your vibration. So your vibration has the content you consume, your vibration has the way you think, your vibration has the way you earn. 4 energies हैं, धन, अन्न, मन और तन. It goes only in this order. धन, अन्न, मन और तन. तन को ठीक रखना है, मन को ठीक रखना पड़ेगा, मन को ठीक रखना है, अन्न अच्छा खाना पड़ेगा और अन्न भी अच्छा हो जाए उसके लिए धन ठीक से कमाना पड़ेगा. The ways of earning money.
पर दीदी मैं ज्वेलर हूं, इसकी क्या गारंटी है कि धन मुझे अच्छा ही मिलेगा?
One more question we'll
आपको
take.
अच्छा मिलेगा अर्थात धन आप अच्छे तरीके से कमाएंगे and you know what that means, है ना?
Sure. Thank you so much.
Can you give the mic back to the gentleman on that table?
I don't have much of a question actually, but I wanted to answer before. But I generally put up as myself as top of my to-do list, right? So I think, and then it's been a stressful one to do that as well. It's not easy, right? But giving this what I heard today of the whole process that you put through before going to sleep or before getting up in the morning is really helpful. So any one area where again I know we spoke about consistency before. Any area where you can really guide us in terms of how we can be consistent in putting yourself as part of your to-do list.
Put that also in your affirmation. See, what is an affirmation? An affirmation is a coding of my mind, which I'm creating on a daily basis. So somewhere, because of past experiences, our mind says, I do it for a couple of days, I do it for a couple of months, but then I tend to go back to my old habit. Now, this also becomes an affirmation. This also becomes an affirmation because it's there in my subconscious, because I've done it a couple of times. So I have to change that subconscious programming. So I say, whatever I'm choosing to do today, it's healthy and it's going to be a part of my routine always. Put that in your affirmation. So you are deleting that old coding which says, I tried, but I always tend to go back. So whatever we are doing here, we first have to create the right thought about it in our subconscious. Only then we will be able to manifest the effort that we are putting in what we're doing. So the programming of the being is very important. So just never ever say that we are not consistent. Put it in your affirmation. I'm consistent and I choose what I do and then I do it always the right way. Thank you.
Thank
आपका
you.
mind स्वीकार कर लेगा उस बात को and then it will become a reality.
Thank you so much. My last question to you before, Sister Shivani, I've watched your videos. I post your thoughts. I shared some with Dr. Ravi and Bhuvna ji are here. And I just want to ask you, आप इतने लोगों से वार्तालाप करते हैं, ऑडियंस से एंगेज करते हैं, सोशल मीडिया पे लोग, पिछले 18-20 महीने में आपने क्या चेंज देखा है which is positive after pandemic? Have people changed or are they stuck to their old habits of fighting with each other, anger, jealousy, frustration? Has something changed? Has the needle moved, or we're still the same old habit that we have?
It's not going to be generic. It's each one is different.
Sure. of
So
course.
everyone's been different in these last 18 months. For some people, that has actually increased in this last 18 months. So wo gussa, wo chirchirapan, because of being locked up, because of having anxiety of work. So for some, it increased. Some even touched an anxiety disorder or a depression. So for some, but I think for most, we used that time to create a discipline in our lifestyle. We were able to sleep at the right time, wake up at the right time, do our yoga, do our meditation, something that we were not being able to do sometimes because we said, travel karna hota hai. But now is the crucial point that once the lockdown is over and we're all back to our normal life, that routine that we had set at that time, that needs to continue, even though the life outside will change. But the benefit that we have seen with what we did, let's make that a part of our life. You know what we do? We say time मिलेगा तो योगा करेंगे. आप कब सोते हैं? जब काम खत्म हो जाता है तब हम सोते हैं. आप खाना कब खाते हैं? जब काम खत्म हो जाता है तब हम खाना खाते हैं. So the vocabulary is not right. The vocabulary is saying work, 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 work. फिर कुछ टाइम मिलेगा तो खाना खाएंगे, फिर टाइम मिलेगा तो सोने जाएंगे. So it's only this priority which has to change. It is self, family, work. Doesn't mean 14 hours for the self. It just means take care of the self, prioritize your eating, sleeping, family time, everything. We are in no race. हम रेस में नहीं हैं कि हमें बस और काम और अचीव करना है और अचीव करके फिर भी हम स्ट्रेस और डिप्रेशन की बात करें, then what is the point? What was the result of that achievement? So let's take care of the mind, the body, the family, and then go to work.